Hi, my name's Eric, and I'm just going to show you how to make a comet real quickly. So the main ingredients in a comet are water and dirt. A comet is orbiting around the sun like a planet, but it's a lot smaller than a planet, and it's often referred to as a dirty snowball because the main ingredients are frozen water and basically dirt, which is what's in this bag right now. There are also trace amounts of chemicals such as ammonia, so for that we're using window cleaner. And there are also organic chemicals for which we use a little bit of corn syrup. And so we've put the basic ingredients together into this bag, and now we just want to turn it into a frozen ball instead of a liquid ball. And to make sure I do this safely, at least one will be here. And to do that, we use a little bit of dry ice, which is solid carbon dioxide. And this is very, very cold and freezes the water very quickly. And so as you can see, the carbon dioxide is quickly turning to gas, and the water is going to very quickly freeze in here. And while it's doing that, I'm going to form it into a ball to the best of my ability. And the reason I'm wearing mitts is because the dry ice is so cold that it would burn my hands. So I'll just hold that in the ball for a moment. So comets in the solar system, they come from very, very far out in the solar system, and they travel in very close to the sun, and often it's hundreds of years before they return again. And for most of this time, they're just a little ball, little compared to the Earth, but maybe hundreds of kilometers across of dirty ice, and they don't look like much, but when they come close to the sun, they start to the water starts to turn into gas, and they form a big ball of gas and a tail that extends away from the sun because the energy from the sun is blowing it away. So even when the comet's moving away from the sun, the tail is always pointing away from the direction of the sun. And this is, if we're lucky and it happens just the right way, it can make a very pretty looking sight in the sky. So I'll take out my comet here. You can see that the dry ice that we used to freeze the water is still sublimating, turning into gas, and trying to escape between the cracks of the comet here, which is why you hear all this hissing. But here we have it. This is our comet, and this is somewhat like the objects that are flying around in space.
Wow, that's amazing.
Thank you.